Hey guys, today I wanted to be showing my updated phone and networking system. I'm not going to get into too much detail on this video. I just basically want to show what I have set up, and so yeah. I'll just start from over here, show my servers and whatnot. So this is a Dell, crappy, ugly Dell. What the heck? Okay, anyways, this is a Dell XP5. It's running server 2008 R2. This is a US Robotics modem. Don't have a serial cable for that yet. This is a Cisco SPA 122 analog telephone adapter. This is a Cisco VG224 voice gateway. And this is a Cisco Catalyst 2960 SF PoE Plus switch. And this is my Dell Optiplex 780. I think it's a 780? Yeah. This is running server 2019. This is my DNS server. This is my domain controller. Not my domain controller. That's my domain controller. That's my web host server, web server, DNS server, file server, everything. It's basically everything. Then we got the switch. And now that I've kind of shown the hardware, let me just give a quick exclamation. So throughout my videos, you notice that I have all of my security systems. All of my security systems shown in a video. I like to demonstrate it reporting to a central station. And so I usually show either AlarmLink Labs or Protostar Alarm Monitoring. I'll leave both of their websites down in the description of my video. But basically, that is on a private phone network. And I have these panels call a phone number, which is my friend's receivers, KG7BZC's receivers, or AlarmLink's receivers, and those receivers process the reports and put them either on Link Web for AlarmLink Labs and or Discord for Protostar Alarm Monitoring. So it's pretty cool. And how I do that is with phone lines, like I said. So these are like literal phone lines. So this is the RJ11 connector that I terminated up for this 8112 right here, and then I have a line going into the DSC-PC 1832, and looks a lot better. And then like every single panel's on a phone line. And another thing that you can do with this is other members on this private phone network called TandemX. You can actually call other members. So I will call my friend. Let's see if he picks up though. David, you're on a YouTube video. Say hi.
Hi. Subscribe to RadixD461 and go to radixd461labs.net, kids.
Yes, thank you for the shout out.
Toyota Impala.
Okay. Alright, so yeah, so that was not through, and you notice that number was 2481063. No, it wasn't. It was 2481066, I believe. And so that doesn't look like, excuse my voice crack, that doesn't look like a regular, like, freaking whatever digit number. That's not like 817-240-2424, whatever. You know, that's a short number. And that's because it's on a private phone network. Excuse my knowledge, I don't know anything about phones. I'm trying to learn. So, excuse my stupidity throughout this video. I literally just, yeah. So I can show this again with a panel reporting. Let's just do a silent panic on a Vista, whatnot. And we can see that on my voice gateway, we got that green light on right there. That means my line's in use. And if I go over to Protostar, we can see that, boom, a silent panic popped up on Protostar. And that's because it dialed the receivers, and the receivers did the automation software that we have set up and put it on a webhook on Discord, which is pretty cool. Let's go ahead and just cancel this. So yeah, my old system used to consist of this Cisco SPA 122, which is what most Protostar members have. So if you want to get a panel reporting, or even just want to set up like a phone system, like a little phone system with landlines, this has 2 lines on the back of it. This voice gateway does 24 lines, but this one does 2, and it is really good for starters and starting out. And basically, this registers to the TandemX private network and or Protostar, depending on what server you join. TandemX is just for phones. Protostar is for, you know, alarm reporting and whatnot. And it is not a UL listed central station, so don't try to put a company on this or a business on this. So my old system used to be like that, off that ATA, and if you notice, it's a lot cleaner in here compared to other videos that I've shown in here. I've had wires running down all over the place, which I still kind of do, but it's not as bad, and that's because I got my new voice gateway system. And I put everything on its own line. So, like I said, there's 24 lines of this. I'm using like 13 out of the 24 lines right currently from all the panels and my phone and my modem, and there's another modem on this, and like a test line and 2 lines on the fire panel and whatnot. So it's really cool what you can do. And this isn't a true landline like that would be. It's just a fake landline basically, and it connects to the private phone network. So anyways, and then I'll show you the switch. The switch basically does all my network throughout my house, not my house, my room. So like, for example, I got like my main computer, I got my domain controller, voice gateway, and then like I got the network modules on that thing. I got the network module on the DMP hooked up, and the network module on that hooked up, and just internet for my computer, and all that other stuff. And I decided to go with Cisco because I'm trying to learn it. My next device is a Cisco PIX 515E firewall, and I know that this is only 10/100. It's not a gigabit switch. It's only 100 megabits per second switch, and that's fine. My internet sucks here, and I only get probably about 50 download and 25 upload is usually on a good day. That's what I get. So the gigabit doesn't really matter for me all that much. So yeah, anyways, I hope you enjoyed this crappy little video, and if you have any questions, just leave them down in the comments, and I'll probably make dedicated videos on each one of these devices eventually, if that's something that y'all want to start seeing on my channel. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.